Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the screen share audio not working properly issue on Discord. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so there are several different approaches for this problem. So what you want to do first guys is, as you can see, I'm inside that voice channel here inside my example server in Discord, and I'm currently streaming with that screen sharing feature enabled. So what you want to do guys is access your voice as well as the video settings for your screen sharing. To do that, click into these three dots here next to the disconnect button and select voice and video settings, and simply head over to voice here and video next and check if these settings are all correct. For example guys, select the correct input as well as output device like your speakers or your microphone. Also adjust the input as well as the output volume, and last but not least you may also check your microphone's intensity here. Also guys, make sure that you select voice activity as your input mode and leave or keep push to talk disabled. You may also adjust the input sensitivity below. What you want to do after that guys, and what for example may be overlooked sometimes by users here on Discord, is that, for instance, if you're using Discord on a web browser like Google Chrome, you may have not given the given web browser like Google Chrome the permission to access your microphone as well as your speakers for the given application Discord, in this case here Discord. So to check that guys, simply click into that microphone button or icon next to your URL address and make sure that microphone as well as sound is enabled. For example, if that's not the case, you will see it here turned off. So toggle it on here to the right. If you toggle it off, your sound as well as your microphone will be muted and not working properly guys. And also guys, what you may test is or see or check if the given tab hasn't been muted accidentally. To do that, here on Google Chrome, right click into the Discord tab here and make sure that mute site is not selected. So for example, if I do that guys, you will see that Discord here will be muted. So unmute it if needed. And that should fix the issue guys. It did for me at least. Let us know in the comments down below if it did for you as well. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.